Hello there and welcome to UK Lockpickers, and if you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this through our product description page. This is the revealing of UK Lockpickers 31 pack lockpick set, and it comes in a leather trifold case, dun dun dun, and we have aimed this set at the beginner and the intermediate picker, so it's a comprehensive set. You shouldn't really need to buy another set. Once you've bought this, you don't need another. So what should we show you first? I'll just show you the whole pack. As you can see, they're all slimline in profile. And what you get in the set is 16 lockpicks, and these are in a thickness of 0.25. They've all got our logo on. And we have chosen for these profiles a medium hook, an offset diamond, a deep hook, a short hook, and a shallow short hook. And then for the rakes, we chose this, and we would say this is for fast entry, rapid entry interlocks. We've got a city rake, like a double peak bogey, they're the other type of names, and then we've got a triple type peak, and we also have a quad, 4 peaks, and we added the half diamond to the rake set because we do like the idea of zipping padlocks. So we added that. We could have added some really highs and really lows, but we decided against it, and they're the picks or the rakes that we added to the set. And then again, you get the same hooks as the 0.25s, but these are actually in a lot thinner material. Oh, and the material, by the way, is stainless steel, and it's 0.015. But this time there's 6 picks in this, and we've added an offset, over each ball. And then onto the tension tools. We have chosen 2 flat bar type tension tools, and these are for top, bottom of the keyway, whichever the part of the world you are from. And then we have chosen some flat standard tension wrenches with a twist, and then also some that are double-ended, and they come in 3 variations of thicknesses. And onto this set you get three medium length tension tools of again 3 different thicknesses, and we've left them flat because we're a big believer in these are the best type of tension tools. Without adding a twist, it gives you better feedback from the lock. There's nothing like a twist taking any type of feel from the lock. And then these are a little bit longer, and these are more for the intermediate picker who picks locks for longer time. It's more for comfort, but this time we have added the twist further up the tension, or further up the tension wrench, to take out the twist that's at the bottom. That's going to take some of the feel out of the tension, so that's why we've left these just standard flat. And that is our 31 pack lockpick set. I hope you like it. We certainly do, and it has been a hit on our other social media sites. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.